Mangrove forests are an important ecosystem found along much of the Gulf of Mexico's coasts, including Florida's. Mangrove trees are coastal trees with exposed root systems which hold down sediments and can grow in brackish environments. However, among Florida's native mangrove species, only the red mangrove can grow with roots always submerged in the water. The other species, including the white and black mangrove, require solider land to grow which isn't inundated with water nearly as often. Red mangroves have arching roots which not only help stabilize it in its tidal habitat, but also trap and hold sediments, steadily building shorelines seawards. It gets its name from the reddish color of these roots. These arching roots are also home for many marine and coastal creatures, both big and small, from oysters and barnacles to snakes and wading birds. One can spot a raccoon scurrying among the mangrove's exposed roots till tide. Red mangrove leaves are evergreen, but they help manage what would be dangerous amounts of salt. It transfers all of its salt to a leaf called a sacrificial leaf, which dies and falls off, after which another leaf becomes a sacrificial leaf. One way to differentiate between red and black mangroves is that black mangroves have roots which emerge straight up from the ground, called pneumatophores, rather than arching out like that of red mangroves, called prop roots. The white mangrove can be differentiated from the others in that it has no visible aerial roots at all. Mangroves sprout while still on the parent plant, drop into the water, and are moved elsewhere by currents and tides. These structures are called propagules, and are capable of rooting themselves and growing. The mangrove tree crab is an omnivore, and feeds on mangrove tree leaves and the cherish. Eastern oysters, seeking a solid, hard substrate, often grow on the submerged portion of mangrove prop roots. The brackish water is too salty for American alligators, though in the southern tip of Florida, American crocodiles may be found in these waters. Mantis and dolphins can also be found here. Mangrove swamps provide nurseries for many shrimp and juvenile fish like sharks and groupers. These vast forested swamps absorb much of the impacts from coastal storms and hurricanes, and they also help slowly build shoreline as they steadily make their unwavering march towards the sea.